once I was out on my feeding, where I would feed the stray dogs. I feed nearly 850 dogs right from 22nd of March. So this is something nearly about 25th or something. I was out on feeding. That time I noticed one female walking such a long distance with a small basket with some white figs inside. I reached out to her and asked her, how did you manage to walk such a long distance, and why you have come all the way to sell these things? Who is going to buy these things in the lockdown? So she told me, madam, I'll have to do something, otherwise how will I go home without food? If I earn, then only I can buy. So this really inspired me that I should do something for this daily wages workers, and I started working on it. And from that day onwards, I helped many daily wages workers with the ration kit. The ration kits contains I think so it is a very small kit. I could manage with this only because I am single-handedly working. I have never taken any donations from anyone for this, neither do I am asking for any donations. So my kit contained 5 kgs of rice, 3 kgs of dal, some sprouts, basic masalas, and tea, sugar, jaggery, and peanuts. So this was the kit which contained. The workers were so happy after seeing this. At least for 8 to 10 days they could manage with this thing, so they were very happy. And without any moving and or anything, I reached out to their place and I gave them this thing. So they were really very happy for that. I just want to tell everyone that we are really blessed with whatever God has given us. So each one should help someone at least in this situation. I just want to reach out to the people and request them that please help whoever you can in whatever possible way, whatever it is. Even if it is a small thing, even if you can just gift one small biscuit packet, please do that. People are really in very bad shape without daily earnings. Please help them. We have a lot and we should give at least little bit to someone. We owe to the society, and let's give back little back to the society.